Let's talk about our forecast here at home. Although it's really fun to talk about space and the fun things that happen there, we do need to talk about what's happening here on Earth. We have a couple of showers that are down over near the West Palm Beach area. Some of those could make their way into places like Highlands County over near the Sebring Lake Placid area over the next hour. But for the most part, the morning will be dry. Here's a look at kind of our forecast setup. We have a front to our north and we have high pressure in control that's bringing us an easterly wind. What's that going to do? That's going to give us a warming trend. It's also going to increase the humidity. So while we are welcoming in a nice stretch of warm weather, it's also going to come with higher humidity. But you know what? It's hard to complain after our cold snaps we've had here recently. I guess we'll take the heat with the humidity. Us Floridians are used to it anyway. Let's take you towards 9 o'clock, where again, a few of those showers could march in from the Atlantic coast into some of our inland communities, Polk, Highlands, Hardee County, and we'll continue to mainly look east of 75 for an isolated shower throughout the day today. Some of those could make their way over to the 75 corridor closer to the coast just in time for that evening commute, but the rain chance today stays low at about 10%. Tomorrow morning, maybe some patchy fog, and that humidity continues to climb day by day through the back half of the week, so you'll gradually see those rain chances increase. Tomorrow afternoon, here's a look at 3 o'clock. The chance for a few pop-up isolated showers, maybe even some heavier downpours expected the next couple of days. Wouldn't be a bad idea to just have the umbrella or raincoat with you. Maybe send the kids to school with them as well, just because it'll be prime time to be heading home from work and school when those showers really start to develop. And then Thursday, that's the day where our humidity really starts to spike. So I do think Thursday has our best chance for rain right now, about a 30 to 40% coverage. And notice you see some of the red colors there. That's indicating maybe the potential for some of those heavier downpours as well. High temperatures. Yeah, they're going to be warm today. Low to mid 80s. Again, I do think Tampa's actually going to reach 85, which would tie the record for this day, set last back in 2015. High temperatures through the extended forecast, staying in the mid to maybe even upper 80s. Friday, Saturday, Sunday could approach 90 degrees, and with the humidity high, it is going to feel more like the 90s over the weekend. Maybe another weather system late week next week to cool us back into the 70s, but we'll be tracking that a little closer to the actual day. Here's a look at that humidity trend. Again, our wind is going to be coming out of the east, so we'll get that influence of the Atlantic Ocean, clearly a very large and moisture-rich body of water there. So that means our dew points are going to start to go up mid to upper 60s Friday and Saturday. So it's definitely going to feel a little more uncomfortable outside. Make sure the kiddos have plenty of water, especially if they take part in any of those after-school activities. With that daily chance for rain all the way into the weekend, no rain chance that's going to be a washout, but at least that summer-like kind of afternoon shower and storm activity. We could pick up some isolated pockets of over an inch of rain by the time it's all said and done through the weekend. And we'll take it, whatever we can get. Marine forecast shows light chop on the bay, seas 1 to 2 feet. Our boating forecast looking really good the next few days. 7-day shows the warm weather sticking around mid to upper 80s, mild mornings in the 60s with low end chances for afternoon showers and storms each day.